If you're a creator aiming to elevate your YouTube channel but still struggle with a small number of subscribers and views, it's likely that you've chosen the incorrect niche. Now, there are a lot of niches you can start from, but there's this one niche that's been around for a year and has literally blown up in the past few months. I'm talking about AI art. This niche is exploding, with new channels gaining thousands of followers and views almost overnight. Don't believe me? Check out these 3 channels. They're crushing it right now. The best part is that it's super easy to create content for this niche. In fact, anyone can do this. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can jump on this trend and skyrocket your own channel. You don't need to be a pro at anything, as everything can be done pretty easily with AI tools, and we are going to show you, step by step, how you can do it. Also, the link to these AI tools we are going to use is already in the description below, so you don't have to worry about finding them yourself. So if you are ready, then let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check out other successful channels in the AI art niche. This step is super important because it gives you a clear idea of what works and what doesn't. There are a lot of tools you can use to get insights, and in this video, I'm going to use vidIQ. These tools are like having a spyglass into the world of successful YouTube channels. They show you the behind-the-scenes stuff, like which keywords are working, what tags are popular, and how often successful channels post. You get to see the stats that matter, views, likes, comments, and even the best times to upload your videos. So, here's how you use it. First, install the vidIQ extension on your browser. The link is in the description, so you can grab it there. Once it's installed, you'll see a score next to each video when you browse YouTube. This score tells you how well the video is performing in terms of engagement and SEO. The higher the score, the better the video is doing. Now start by looking up AI art channels. Find the ones that have a lot of views and subscribers. Watch a few of their videos and take notes. What kind of content are they creating? How are they engaging their audience? Pay attention to their thumbnails, titles, and descriptions. These are all crucial elements that tools like vidIQ can help you analyze. In this tool, there's also a feature called the Keyword Inspector. This is where the magic happens. Type in AI art or any related term, and it will show you a list of keywords that people are searching for. Use these keywords to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This makes your videos more discoverable and helps you attract more viewers. Remember, you're not just copying these successful channels. You're learning from them and adding your own unique twist. This makes your content stand out while still hitting the mark with what viewers love. Ready for the next part? Let's keep going. So, the next thing you need to do is use AI tools to create prompts for Midjourney and Leonardo AI. This step is about getting creative and generating awesome ideas for your AI art. This part is a game changer and super easy to do. First, head over to Gemini AI or ChatGPT. We are using these tools for brainstorming and getting ideas. They help you come up with unique and interesting prompts for your AI art projects. Just ask them to generate prompts for platforms like Leonardo AI or Midjourney, and you'll get a bunch of cool ideas in no time. Open ChatGPT and type something like, "Hey, can you give me a prompt for Leonardo AI to draw countries as superheroes?" And just like that, you'll get a fantastic prompt to work with. You can tweak it if you want, or use it as is. The key here is to let your imagination run wild and have fun with it. Creating these prompts is an important part of the process. It's what makes your content unique and engaging. People love seeing new and creative ideas, and using AI to generate these prompts ensures you're always coming up with fresh content. So, Step 3 is about using these platforms to create prompts for your AI art. Ready to see your ideas come to life? Let's keep going and move on to the next step. Next, we're going to turn these prompts into stunning visuals using Leonardo AI or Midjourney. This is where your ideas come to life and your creativity shines. First things first, go to either the Leonardo AI website or join the Midjourney Discord server. Both of these platforms are fantastic for turning your prompts into detailed and eye-catching images. Once you're set up with an account on Leonardo AI or are logged into the Midjourney Discord, you'll see a prompt box where you need to type in the prompts you got from ChatGPT. On both platforms, you'll find some cool customization options. With Leonardo AI, you can choose from different models within the platform to get the style you want. Midjourney focuses more on the specifics of your prompt, so be detailed. Play around with these settings until you're happy with the preview. Leonardo AI or the Midjourney bot will take your prompt and create a fantastic image based on your instructions. It might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once it's done, you'll get an amazing piece of AI art that you can download to your device. The key is to experiment with different prompts and settings to see what works best for your style. Don't be afraid to try new things and get creative. Alright, the next thing you need to do is bring those amazing AI-generated images to life by making an awesome video. Again, their area, a lot of video editing tool. You can use any one you want. In this video, we are going to use CapCut. This software is a fantastic tool for creating and editing videos, and it's super easy to use. Let's get into it. First, download CapCut on your device. It's available on both mobile and desktop, so pick whatever works best for you. Once you've got it installed, open up the app and start a new project. You'll see a clean and straightforward interface that's perfect for beginners and pros alike. Now, import the AI-generated images you created with Leonardo AI or Midjourney. You'll find an option to add media in the main menu. Select your images and bring them into your project timeline. Arrange your images in the order you want them to appear in your video. You can drag and drop them to create the perfect sequence. Make sure to add some transitions between the images to keep things smooth and visually appealing. It has a bunch of cool transitions you can use, so go ahead and experiment with them. Next, let's add some music. Music sets the tone for your video and makes it more engaging. CapCut has a built-in library of music tracks you can choose from. Pick a track that matches the vibe of your AI art and drag it into your timeline. Adjust the length of the music to match your video, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about text and effects. Adding text can help convey your message and make your video more informative. You can add titles, captions, or even fun comments. It offers a variety of fonts and styles, so choose one that fits your theme. Place the text over your images at key points in the video to highlight important details or add a bit of humor. Don't forget to add some effects and filters to make your video pop. CapCut has a range of effects you can apply to your images and text. Play around with them to see what looks best. A little bit of sparkle or a cool filter can make a big difference in how professional your video looks. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to export it. It makes this process simple. Just hit the export button, choose your settings, and let it render. In a few minutes, you'll have a polished, professional-looking video ready to upload to your channel. All right, friends, we've learned how to generate prompts, create stunning images, and turn them into amazing videos. Now it's your turn to shine. Go out there and make some awesome AI art content. AI is the future, and using it now while it's still fresh gives you a huge advantage. If you know how to use these tools, you can create incredible content and grow your channel fast. AI art is not just a trend, it's a powerful way to express creativity and stand out in the crowded digital world. So, get started with AI art and watch your channel blow up.